Always confirm the outdoor air conditioning capacitor is fully discharged before touching any terminals. Start by switching off the outdoor unit at the dedicated disconnect, and then turn off the indoor thermostat and circuit breaker to remove all power sources. Use a digital multimeter set to the highest voltage range and probe the capacitor terminals to verify there is no residual charge. Readouts above 0 mean it still holds energy. If the meter shows charge, use a meter that includes a built-in resistor discharge function and place the meter leads across the terminals to bleed charge slowly and safely. If your meter does not have that feature, prepare a professional resistor discharge tool such as a 1000 ohm 5-watt resistor attached to insulated leads and clamp it across the terminals for several seconds while holding the insulated handles. Never short the terminals with a screwdriver because that can cause sparks and damage. After the resistor method, recheck the terminals with the meter to confirm the voltage reads near 0 before proceeding. Finally, use needle nose pliers with insulated grips to carefully disconnect the wire terminals, and if any doubt remains, leave the job to a licensed technician. Common mistakes include relying on the disconnect alone without verifying with a meter, which can leave a dangerous residual charge, so always test across terminals before touching and after attempting a discharge. Another error is shorting the capacitor with a metal tool, which produces sparks and can rupture the capacitor, so use a resistor-based discharge method or the MeterDischarge feature instead. A third issue is removing wires before confirming the capacitor is drained, which risks shock. So always discharge and then confirm a near 0 voltage reading before using insulated pliers to remove wires. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for HVAC maintenance and other home repairs, and helps contractors find work by connecting them with people seeking services. We also host a discussion community where we and others share real-world tips and experiences about safe capacitor handling and general maintenance.